Well, good morning everybody. We're going to try a different type of video today. So welcome to Bryson's cooking show, I guess. If this does well and you guys like it, maybe we'll make it somewhat of a series, like once a month. Show you guys kind of what we're eating while we're on the road right now. So without further ado, let's make some breakfast. So you might be wondering why I grabbed everything out of the freezer. Because these little sausage patties that are frozen from Aldi actually taste pretty good, and they're a lot more economically friendly than buying raw sausage patties because you get a lot. How many are in here? Do you know how many are here, Pat?
Like 18.
And then frozen hash browns are a lot easier than shredding and cutting your own potatoes to make hash browns. They do tend to stick a little bit more just because they're frozen. But some butter and oil usually tends to help with that. We only use cast iron in this household, so come at me, Gordon Ramsay, with your hex pad stuff. Is that what it's called? I don't know. We usually don't have plastic I guess it's cutlery, not silverware because it's not silver. I can't talk this morning. Bad morning to be making a video. So that's breakfast. 2 eggs, some avocados, hash browns, some sausage, and some cheese. Let's move on to dinner. So dinner tonight's actually something that we have never done before. Saw it in the store, so figured we'd try it. But it's from Aldi. It's an Al Pastor. Am I saying that right?
Sure.
Okay. Style pork. So we're gonna make some tacos, but not white people tacos. My wife is Hispanic, so our tacos hopefully will be good. But the meat's already pre-seasoned, ready to go, so it should be super easy. And then we have some corn tortillas that I'll heat up on the egg skillet with a little bit of rice. Also, I just got done talking to one of my good friends, Thaddeus Bertoni. He's an artist. He also just started a band called Indigo Lodge. He's on Spotify. I talked to him, and he's going to let me use some of his music in our videos. So I don't know where it's going to be going at today in this video, whatever. But I'm pretty sure, if not all, the majority of the music in this video will be from him. So I will put his Spotify down in the description. Go check him out. He's great. Ex-roommate, good friend. actually super easy to make. Probably took 15, maybe 20 minutes. But got meat, some tortillas, a little bit of pico, picked up some pineapple just because pineapple is great on a taco, and then some Spanish rice just to have a little bit of extra. So.
Hey guys, welcome to dinner part 2? Dinner part something.
Day 2.
Tonight I'm cooking, so you've seen Bryson a lot, but it's my turn because we take turns making meals, except for breakfast. So tonight we're gonna have some chicken breast tenderloins that I'm gonna cut up kind of like into nuggets and bake them. I'm also gonna cut up dice up some russet, I think these are russet potatoes, and bake them as well. Our oven's a little bit small, but we have small pans that makes everything fit well. And then I'm gonna saute some mushrooms, and then also like a quarter of a zucchini that we had left in the fridge. So I'll just saute that, and then so we'll have potatoes with chicken, and then some mushrooms and zucchini. So come along. So now I'm going to saute the zucchini and the mushrooms. I find it easier to get them nice and steamy if I like cover them in tin foil. If we had a lid for the cast iron, I'd just use that, but we don't, so I got creative. So sometimes I just put random crap in the chicken and hope it comes out okay. Well, I've never in my life claimed to be a chef, so here it is. It's not the most aesthetically pleasing, but it looks tasty and I'm hungry, so.
So it is now, it's Wednesday, so this would be day 3. Day 3, no week would be complete without ramen.
Hey guys, it's me again. Back to some Hey guys, it's me again. We're gonna make a pretty simple meal tonight. It's one of my favorites to make just because all I gotta do is chop stuff up and it's made. So we're having, I think this is technically called kielbasa, but it's just a massive sausage. And I chop up I'm gonna bake some more potatoes like I did the other day. And then normally I like to use fresh Brussels sprouts just because I think it tastes better and they cook a lot easier. But we're still using up some leftover Brussels sprouts. Shout out to Mike and Christy. You know what I'm talking about. So we're gonna use these up tonight. Alright guys, well, there you have it. It's a bit more colorful than my last meal. Also, the Brussels sprouts, I cooked them. I put a lot of honey on them to make them a little bit sweeter. And other than that, there's nothing special that I do to this. So,